Good afternoon to all of you. Let us start by the grace of great Vaheguru. So we have seen this is the part 2 of the semiconductor laser. See, we have seen that the Fermi level get broke down. The Fermi level get broke down in what case? When we applied a forward bias. When we applied a forward bias. See, for the N type it moves upward, and for the P type it moves downward. So what we have written in the last? What we have written? And it moves upward in N side, and it moves upward in the N side, and moves downward in the P side. In the P side. In the P side of the junction due to forward bias. In the junction due to a forward bias. Due to a forward bias. Fermi levels move upward in the N side. Fermi level moves downward in the P side. Due to forward bias. Due to a forward bias. Next point लिखिए. Hence the region ABC starts growing. Hence the region ABC start growing. Hence the region ABC start growing. Next point लिखिए. A stage will come. A stage will come when empty states. A stage will come when empty states of DEF. A stage will come when empty states of the DEF. When empty states of DEF just below the filled states of ABC. Filled states of the region ABC. Filled states of the region ABC. At this stage, the current passing through a diode. At this stage, the current passing through a diode is called threshold current. Use the red pen. Is called at this stage, the current passing through a diode is called a threshold current. And population, use the red pen. And population inversion is reached. And population inversion is achieved. And population inversion is achieved within the depletion region. Within the depletion region. ठीक है, ये सारा किस में हो रहा है? डिप्लीशन रीजन में हो रहा है. एंड पॉपुलेशन इन्वर्शन इज अचीव्ड विद इन द डिप्लीशन रीजन नियर जंक्शन ओनली. नियर जंक्शन ओनली. लास्ट पॉइंट. Hence a spontaneously emitted photon. Hence a spontaneously emitted photon due to transition from region ABC to the region DEF. Due to the transition from the region ABC, filled region ABC to the empty region DEF, will trigger the stimulated emission. ABC filled region to the empty DEF region. Filled ABC region to the empty DEF region will trigger the stimulated emission, which causes a laser action. केस 1 लिखिए. केस 1 if current is less than threshold current. If current is less than threshold current, this means that this means that light is emitted. This means that light is emitted due to the spontaneous de-excitation. This means that light is emitted due to the spontaneous de-excitation. Due to the spontaneous de-excitation caused by recombination of electrons and holes across the junction. Electrons and holes across the junction. And this light goes in all direction. And this light is emitted from. This light is emitted from every region of diode. This light is emitted from every region of diode and goes in all direction. Goes in all direction. Case 2 लिखिए. Please write the case 2 last.
goes in
all direction. देखिए ये बता रहा है कि अगर हमारा करंट, if the current is less than threshold, if the value of the current is less than threshold, then what will happen? Spontaneous de-excitation will happen. And what does this mean? It means combination of electron and hole. When electron and hole combine, what will happen? Electron plus hole will combine. What will happen? क्या होगा? Covalent bond plus energy released. And this energy released. Energy means in the form of photons. It will be emitted from all parts of the diode. ठीक है? And it goes in all direction. It is not supposed to obtain within the depletion region. But in this case, our laser light is emitted from the depletion region only. This is for the more than threshold value. This is valid for the when the current value is more than a threshold current. Now the case 2 is if the current, ऐसे लिखो, when applied current is more than threshold current. When applied current is more than threshold current, last point. When applied current is more than threshold current, comma, then then population inversion is achieved. Then population inversion is achieved within a. Then population inversion is achieved only in a small region. Only in a small region. Within depletion region. Within a depletion region. Achieved only in a small region. Only in a small region. Within the depletion region. Within the depletion region. Within the depletion region. Whose size is of the order of 1 micrometer. What is the size of depletion region? 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer. And this laser light will be emitted from the depletion region only. And this laser light is emitted through the depletion region only. Last point लिखिए. This laser is a two light through a depletion region only. Depletion region only. This is a two level laser. It's a 2 level laser. See, this is a 2 level laser, and its wavelength extend from 600 nanometer to 700 nanometer. 600 nanometer से 700 nanometer, and its wavelength range from 600 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Last point लिख लीजिए. Quantum efficiency is very large. Quantum efficiency is very large. The quantum efficiency is very large because electric energy is directly converted into the light energy. Quantum efficiency is very large because electrical energy is converted into the light energy. Now let us अभी 5 मिनट लगाते हैं. Let us spend some time on this diagram. See what is happening when we apply a forward bias. When we apply a forward bias, I mean to say when we increase the voltage. When we increase the voltage, please listen. When we increase the voltage or when we increase the forward bias, what will happen? Fermi level will break down. The Fermi level will break down. Point number 1. Point number 2. The Fermi level shift upward for the n side and Fermi level shift downward for the p side. Understood? Number 3. See, ABC region start growing and DEF region, the empty the states DEF get more vacant. ठीक है, ABC बड़ा हो गया, DEF भी बड़ा हो गया, लेकिन ABC में एनर्जी स्टेट ज्यादा है, DEF बिल्कुल खाली. नंबर 4, थ्रेशोल्ड करंट पे, ठीक है, एक वोल्टेज ऐसी आएगी कि जब when DEF is just lies exactly below the ABC, and this whole process is occurring within the depletion region. At this stage, what will happen when DEF is just lies below the filled ABC state? What will happen? Population inversion has been achieved. तो see, यहाँ पे हम लिख लेते हैं ABC filled states increased. DEF empty states ठीक है, and a state will come when the region DEF is just below the region ABC, and this stage is called a population inversion. See what will happen from here a spontaneous emission will be there, and that spontaneous emission will give lead to a stimulated emission, and further stimulated emission will give rise to a population inversion. Give rise to a laser action. Let us again see what will happen once the population inversion has been achieved. One electron from here, it will be dx side from ABC to DEF. Filled ABC to DEF, that is called a spontaneous emission. And that spontaneous emission will give rise to a stimulated emission, and this stimulated emission will give rise to a laser action. And all the process is happening within the depletion region. ये आपने याद रखना है, किसमें हो रहा है? डिप्लीशन रीजन में हो रहा है. किसमें हो रहा है बेटा? डिप्लीशन रीजन. And what is the size of the depletion region? Of the order of 1 micrometer. And it is valid for when the current value is more than the threshold current. When the current value is more than the threshold current, and यहाँ पे मोनोक्रोमेटिसिटी कम होगी. मोनोक्रोमेटिसिटी क्या होगी? कम. Because we are getting a bunch of wavelengths. We will get a bunch of a range of the wavelength. But quantum efficiency is very very large. So I think this is all idea about the semiconductor laser. So I think we have finished the topic of the semiconductor laser in 2 parts. Thank you so much for being with us. If you really like the session today, please subscribe it, like it, comment it and share it. तो अभी अपने बच्चों के साथ एक बार विदा लेते हैं. कल हम करेंगे जॉइंट डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स. कल का लेक्चर बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. घुमाइए इसको एक बार, ठीक है. चलो ठीक है, कल मिलते हैं जॉइंट डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स के साथ. पेशेंस को भी लीजिए एक बार. दिस इज अवर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट पेशेंस गिब्सन, who is really a patient student. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.